Hello guys and welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you regarding the shipping information in day-to-day maritime business all over the global world. Today's news is regarding one of the bulk carrier Bluebill collided with Chagres railway bridge in Panama Canal at around 1740 UTC June 23. Judging from track, the ship is understood to be in ballast, transiting canal from Pacific to Atlantic en route from South Korea. Bridge is severely damaged. Authorities said train's movement will be restored in no less than 16 days. The ship understood to be anchored, traffic not affected. No information on ship damages, probably superficial. So friends, if you like this information, do share with your friend. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to our channel and comment if you want anything more. Thank you and have a nice day.